Nobody's gonna know.
Tucker, why are you sitting like a human?
Blue.
What are you doing? Get out.
Alright, can you say your name? Luna. That was perfect.
She's chewing on your tail, man. He said, what?
Not allowed on the bed, you... No!
Am I walking you or you walking me? Oh, I'm walking you, okay.
Riley, look at me. Tell her to come.
Evil dog. Stop being. Ah, shit. Could've got killed there. No running on the road.
Good morning.
Who the fuck is in bed with you? I see the cup.
Gotta do what I want to do.
Oh, is your paw sore? Oh, dear.
Is that your dad?
Morning hugs.
You ready, Piggy? Let him know. Gang, get the fuck out of my way, bro. I'm trying to do my schoolwork, bro.
Who's that big boy?
Where the fuck? Come here, Jason. Where the fuck? Jason got a fucking... How did you get this on your head?
Dude, you know you ready? All right. Let me get a smile. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Cheese.
What is this? You're a fucking escape artist.
Dobby, what the fuck?
I'm pretty sure Franklin's stuck. Franklin, are you okay, buddy?
Look at this. How in the hell did you get way up there?
How'd you get in there?
I don't know where the hole is, bud.
You got in there.
Dobby, what the fuck?
Louie.
What's on your face?
Louie.
I'm pretty sure Franklin's stuck. Franklin, are you okay, buddy?
Buckle.
John, we might need Vaseline. Oh, no.
Take it.
At us? You gonna get a pup cup? You gonna get a treat? Yep. I thought I did.
Andy, honey, we're just at the pharmacy.
Amir, sit. She said, sit. Good boy.
Sit. Let me see who wants this one. Sit. Who?
Take him outside first. Take him outside.
Wait. What is it? To see what they do.
Мувик.
My spot. Get on.
The big palm tree? It's gonna be awesome. Can't wait. Just don't need me to right?
And then what? Oh my gosh. Oh no.
It's not a jacuzzi. Come on out.
Be quiet. Be quiet.
Hey. I'm sorry. Okay.
Careful.
What is it?
Aw, he can do it, but you have to give it back. You have to give it back. Give me the egg. Drop it. Aw. Oh my god. Stop!
She won't take anything from your hand.
Lay down. Good boy.
I don't think he wants it. Give it.